Not all of Texas's housing news is negative. On January 3rd, 2026, an extraordinary property made headlines. Frontshaft Ranch, a 160-plus acre state near Bedias, Texas, was listed for about $8.5 million. It's a solar-powered, off-grid estate with a private movie theater, lakes with docks, multiple homes, and even a big party barn. This isn't rough country living, this is luxury. Chrony. This story shows one trend. Ultra-wealthy buyers are still active. While some parts of the market struggle, the top tier, buyers who want private estates with solar power, comfort, and space, keeps going strong. But down in South Texas, an entirely different story is unfolding. In December 2025 and into January 2026, a series of ICE raids on construction workers scared many laborers away from building sites, slowing new home construction across the region. Daily Journal of Commerce reports found that more than 9,100 people had been arrested in South Texas, nearly one-fifth of all ICE arrests in the state, which scared workers into staying home. Builders aren't getting the labor they need, causing many sites to grind to a halt. Experts now warn this slowdown could raise housing costs instead of lowering them, because when fewer houses are built, supply shrinks while demand stays high. Even before these events, Texas housing data was showing signs of change. Reports from 2025 show that more homes were sitting on the market longer, buyers had more choices, and prices were beginning to slow or stabilize compared to the frenzied boom of earlier years. One housing snapshot from early 2025 showed active listings up by over 30% and homes remaining on the market longer before selling, meaning buyers weren't feeling rushed. Another housing report noted that sales were weakening in early 2025. Prices were only slightly higher than the year before, and certain cities like Austin were even seeing price drops at times. For the first time in years, buyers began to have more options. Houses that once sold in a heartbeat were staying on the market longer, inventory levels rose, and competition between buyers softened. This shift made the market less hectic and gave buyers more time to think, impacting how people decide to buy or sell real estate. As pressures mount, state leaders, including the governor of Texas, have acknowledged challenges in housing affordability and supply. Officials have pointed to labor issues and economic shifts as key influences on the market. The frustration is real. Housing costs remain a central concern for policymakers trying to protect both buyers and builders. People across Texas are feeling the realities of these market shifts. Some buyers are waiting because prices aren't dropping fast. Sellers are adjusting prices to attract offers, and builders are trying to find workers to finish projects. In some regions, luxury listings still draw interest, while in others, especially where construction is slowing, houses sit for longer and sellers rethink their strategies. So what's ahead? Experts say we might be seeing a more balanced market where buyers and sellers both have leverage, but only if construction picks up again, prices stabilize, and labor returns to building sites. Will Texas regain its runaway growth? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the housing market here has entered a new phase, and it's shaping how millions live, work, and invest. From luxury ranches to halted construction sites, from rising inventory to leadership under pressure, this is the real Texas housing story of 2026, a tale of change, challenge, and chance. What happens next will redefine homeownership in the Lone Star State,